And welcome back to DFW Close Up. Now, when Dallas homeowners feel the need to pimp out their homes, they count on this woman, Donna Moss, to bring out the bling. Donna hosts her own reality show on HGTV called Donna Decorates Dallas. And I have to call you Leslie because of what happened earlier. So you're going to be Leslie for a few seconds. She's here to spruce up our Christmas a bit. Hi, guys. How you doing?
Great.
And this, by the way, this is Tiffany. This is your daughter, right?
This is my daughter, yes.
Nice.
Both of my daughters work at our boutique and are also on the show. So it's a family affair.
Family affair. I love it.
All in the family.
And I bet this is your favorite time of year.
It is. Well, I bet it's yours too, with a last name like Noel.
Yeah, of course, yes. I get all the jokes about October. That's when they start.
No, but we love Christmas. It's such a festive, fun time of year.
Okay.
And what we wanted to show you today is everyone thinks about decorating their Christmas tree, decorating their mantle, their front door, even their staircase. But you forget about your poor little beautiful chandelier, right?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Wait, before we get started, let's get in the festive holiday mode here.
Exactly. We bought gifts.
Are you serious?
Yes, and you could buy these at our store.
Oh, boy.
Give them to all your friends.
That is just awesome. I actually have to duck down a little bit because mine's so tall. All right, okay. Thanks. You had to.
You look great.
Yes, okay. All right. Okay, back to the chandelier while I look like an idiot. No, I look good.
Does my hair look okay? Yours looks great, yes. We look fabulous.
Okay.
and you look amazing.
I just look like a dork. Okay, we've got we're going to go from a bland chandelier to something special.
Yes, and it's so easy to do. I mean, this is a cute chandelier already, but look what happens when you take a little garland.
Okay.
I mean, cost absolutely nothing, just a few dollars at the store, and some Christmas picks.
Okay.
Now, what we did to this chandelier, too, we also spruced it up before we decorated it with some gold and silver leafing.
Okay.
It's really easy to do. You can do it on your crystals. You can do it on the metal on your chandelier. So it kind of gives you a new look.
When I bob my head, my whole, it's like weighted, but that's okay. Okay.
I think I jingle.
Yes, that's right. You do jingle a little bit. All right.
So you can bling up your chandelier and then start decorating with little things you find at the store, all your favorite stuff. And then, voila.
Okay, I'm going to take this one down.
Okay, yeah.
By the magic of television.
By the magic of television.
It turns into...
We have magically transformed it into this fabulous little chandelier. Isn't it cute?
I belong like the... Well, I was going to say, I belong behind the chandelier. You can't even see me. But look at that. That's awesome.
Well, and another thing is the cute little flicker bulbs. There's so many unique light bulbs out there that can also transform the light. There's the silicone-dipped light bulbs, and so many ways to make it fun and festive.
Okay.
And
I think we
we're
lost
losing hats.
And
mine's nice and secure.
So to decorate all this stuff, where do we pick up this stuff like this?
Well, any craft store.
Okay.
You know, these little picks, the garland, all of them, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, any craft store, you can find all these elements.
That is quite a transformation.
And you just wrap it.
Okay.
See, even, I don't know if you can see it or not, but even the little crystal plates, the teacups. Yeah.
Okay.
We also gold and silver leaf those.
All right. Wow. That is quite a transformation. That's amazing. Okay. Chandeliers. What else do you got?
Okay. Well, this is the fun part. Tiffany and I love to make Christmas ornaments.
Okay.
And these styrofoam balls.
I've seen those before.
Some of them are large, some are small. You can get them cone-shaped and make Christmas trees with them. So what we did is we transformed these ornaments.
We took a little ribbon just to tie them so we could have something to hang from.
Yeah, like this one has...
So you can pick any ribbon that you like from any fabric store.
And the flowers. Add just hot glue with our handy dandy little glue gun.
Even your glue gun is blamed. Wow.
I always have to have a leopard.
Oh my gosh.
But the unique thing about using the styrofoam is you can stick things in them. Like for us, it's the candle art. This piece here.
The fleur de lis, right?
The
or whatever
fleur
it's
de lis,
called.
yes.
Hey, I got something right.
Just slips right into your ornament when you get done blinging it up.
I love it.
Whoopsie.
That won't happen, though.
That won't happen. And then show them how easy it is to, well, we'll do this later. So take the candle art.
See, we have candle art here. You can buy it at our store. That's hot. And it's so simple to insert. You just find any candle that you like. You can get your whatever kind of candle art you like. And all you have to do is just stick it in wherever.
Okay.
So that makes it beautiful. It spruces up any candle.
Yeah, so when you're done with Christmas, you just take out your candle art from your ornament and put it in your candle, and so it never goes to waste.
You change it out. I love it. Okay, with the time we have left, tell me about your store, what you got going on there and everything.
Okay, well, we have a store called That's Hot, THATSHAUTE, not HOT.
Okay, of course.
And online it's thats-hot.com, and you can buy anything you see here, plus a whole lot more. We have clothes and jewelry and awesome furniture.
Do you just like to bling stuff, or is there a better word for that, or what?
Well, let me show you what we also have. The Christmas holidays are so festive. I brought you another gift here.
Oh wow! Okay.
We have the most unique. Was I knocking things over?
No, you almost got it cut on the handle, but that's okay.
We also, not only do we make Christmas ornaments, but we brought you something from our store.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
this is a lion that's blinged out, I guess. Yes,
there's something for everyone. Even the man in your life.
Of course, yes. Definitely got to get your man one of these things. I love it. Well, ladies, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Donna
You're
and
welcome.
Tiffany, and I will give this back to you proudly.
Oh, no,
thank you guys for
Merry
stopping by.
Christmas.
Oh, thank you
It's
again.
yours.
Okay,
You can wear it all day long.
There's the website on your screen. Go check it out. And coming up after.